Hey guys, 360 Mix here with another very quick repair tip. If you guys are working on an IC chip that you cannot see the numbers, I'm going to show you a very cool trick. You see we have two chips here, and obviously we cannot see the numbers of that, you see? So all you got to do is look around anywhere you see some white thermal grease, or if you have some thermal grease, just rub your hand on that thermal grease just like that, you see? And go in front of the chip, okay, right in front of the chip, and stick your finger in there and rub that grease right on it, on the face of it, okay? And then with a clean finger, rub it off, okay? Just do it a couple of times, and now you can see the numbers. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Look at the other one. Can't see it, but look at that one. Quick tip on how to identify a chip.